Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Ben Beps and today we are by the estuary leading out on the River Exe to Exmouth. We are at the playing fields in Topsham. I'm just recording a quick 3 or 4 minute vlog to put together some drone clips which I'm going to be filming over picturesque estuary over there with the boats and the reeds, etc. Haven't flown the drone in ages, so it'll be a good way to get back into it, ready for some travelling coming up in a few weeks' time. And also, it's going to be a really nice sunset. Unexpected, because I didn't think there would be a good sunset tonight, but you can already see there's going to be a good one. I am so excited to fly this as well. This will be the best flight I've actually ever done on this drone. Look at this.
Say hi to the drone. Say hi, Chica. I think she's interested. Chica, what's that? What's that? What is that? Go on, look at the drone.
I love Topsham at night. It's so beautiful at sunset. It's so peaceful and tranquil. Definitely a good idea to come down with a drone though. I now know I can fly it fine. I think it's my first time properly flying it over water as well, like actually over water and not just looking at water. But you know, it's my second. I flew at the beach of Zag, but yeah, now I know that I'm comfortable with it all, and I can definitely do it in Portugal. The drone works all fine, and yeah, ready to go abroad with it and shoot some cool stuff elsewhere. Hope you enjoyed seeing the views of the estuary on the drone, etc. Just a short little 2 or 3 minute video, I'm guessing, just documenting it because there's some nice shots there which I'm not going to be using for anything else. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, turn post notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video.